I'm here on the final build day for MACH 2026, where we're putting the final finishing touches to the show. We can't wait to open the doors at 9 AM tomorrow morning and start welcoming people.
At the moment, I think we're sitting on something like 37 machine orders for the week. Certainly surpasses anything that we've done in the past.
We've actually benefited from some great results this year, the best MACH that we've ever had on all of our product lines, so on our machine tools, both on Matsu and Murata, and also on our additive product. And in fact, every machine that we've got on the stand is now sold, so it's been a fantastic week for us.
We came back having a really good 2024, and I'll be honest, with the state of the economy in October we got a bit twitchy and thought about pulling out. Thank God we didn't, because it's been 10 times better than last time.
Last MACH was very good. This one has taken it to a next step in terms of the industries that have come onto the stand, as I said, the quality of the visitors from those industries, and the intent to purchase.